alligators. Later, gator. A gator digs. She has long claws. She gets reeds. She gets grass. She makes a big pile. What is it? It is a nest. She lays 16 eggs. Now she will guard the nest. Oh no! Here comes a raccoon. He wants the eggs. Watch out! Alligators have short legs, but they move quickly. Chomp! The mother grabs with her sharp teeth. Now she eats. This gator ate a turtle. He is full. He basks in the sun. It makes him warm. He will cool off in the water. Splash! Gators are fast swimmers. Their long tails propel them. See you later, alligator. Picture glossary. Bask. To lay or sit in the sun to soak up the warm rays. Guard. To keep watch, protect. To look out for danger. Propel. To push forward. Reeds. Thin, tall grasses that grow in wet areas.